This afternoon, 18 kids took part in the LSU Agriculture Entrepreneur Workshop at the LSU AgCenter in West Monroe. Gabby Ballou was there. Gabby, how'd it go?
Riley, the workshop was open to all students in 4th through 12th grade. They learned a variety of skills to take with them into their future careers. Now, during the workshop, the kids were divided into groups and learned how to make their own product with the target consumer in mind. Once they were finished, each group had to pitch their idea explaining what the product was, how it worked, how much they would sell it for, and why it would benefit people. They learned various career readiness skills like public speaking, problem solving, and financial management. Tara Garlington, 4-H agent of Ouchita Parish, emphasized the importance of collaborating with your peers.
We just really enjoy seeing their creativity. I love to see the youth, especially the ones that don't know one another, to get together and build ideas. And I think some friendships were even formed from this workshop. So it was just an all-around good experience.
Now, kids in grades 8 through 12 will have the chance to compete in the Tiger Tank Entrepreneurship Contest in Baton Rouge in June. Riley?